Good day mga boss! Welcome po ulit sa ating channel, Math Tutorials TV. In this video, I'm going to discuss about division of polynomials. Are you ready? Let us start. So there are two ways mga boss on how to divide polynomials. We have the long division or the long method of dividing polynomials, and we have also the synthetic division or the shorter method of dividing polynomials. But in our video today mga boss I am going only to discuss the long division. Gagawa lamang ako ng another video for synthetic division. So, paano po ba ginagawa yung pag-divide ng polynomials using the long division? So we have here p of x divided by another polynomial, say d of x, so that is equal to q of x, that is the quotient, plus r of x, that is the remainder, divided by d of x, the divisor. So, pag merong remainder po, yung pag-divide nyo ng dalawang polynomials, so mag-a-add lang kayo ng remainder divided by the divisor. So, if 0 ang inyong remainder, so yung sagot na lang mga boss is q of x. So, I will show you a specific example para mas maging clear sa inyo mga boss. Okay, say for instance, you are asked to divide 2x squared plus 5x minus 23 by x plus 5. So, the first thing you are going to do is you are going to check if the dividend and the divisor are in a standard form. So, paano nyo ba malalaman na naka-standard form yung inyong dividend at saka inyong divisor? So, dapat yung exponent ng inyong variable are nasa descending order. So, from pinakamataas hanggang sa pinakamababang exponent ng inyong variable. So, here, we have, so sa inyong dividend, this is your dividend and this is your divisor. So, yung dividend niyo, yung pinakamataas na exponent is 2. So, dapat nasa first term siya. So, okay na to. Naka-first term na siya. Then, followed by, syempre, 2 yung exponent ng 2x squared ng kanyang variable. The next is dapat 1. So, eto. So, yung 5x, 1 yung kanyang exponent. So, dapat siya yung susunod sa 2x squared. So, tama. Then, the last term is the constant term. Okay? So, yung constant term natin, yung variable niya, yung exponent is 0. So, we have 2, 1, 0. So, naka-standard form na yan mga boss. So, copy na lang natin kasi naka-standard form na siya. Okay? So, divide this by x plus 5 is naka-standard form din kasi yung exponent ng x is 1, then the constant term is 0 yung exponent ng variable na. So, 1, 0. So, tama. This is x plus 5. So, yung gagawin nyo lang mga boss is, susunod na gagawin nyo, you're going to divide the first term of your dividend by the first term of your divisor. So, the first term of your dividend is 2x squared. So, i-divide nyo lang yan mga boss by x. Okay? So, 2x squared divided by x, that is equal to 2x. Tama? 2x. Kasi 2 divided by 1 is 2. X squared divided by x. So, when we divide numbers or variable having the same base, we copy the base and subtract the exponent. So, 2 minus 1 is 1. So, 2x squared divided by x is 2x. So, pag nakuha nyo na yung quotient, i-multiply lang natin sa ating divisor. So, 2x times x, that is 2x squared. 2x times 5, that is 10x. Okay? Next, after that, you're going to subtract. Okay? So, once we're going to, magsasubtract na tayo mga boss, this is, you're going to change the sign ng product niyo dito. So, this is magiging minus. This is magiging minus. Then, you proceed to addition. Okay? So, yan yung gagawin ninyo mga boss. So, 2x squared plus negative 2x squared, that is 0. So, 0 na po ito. Okay? 5x plus negative 10x, that is negative 5x. Okay? Then, you bring down the last term, that is negative 23 or minus 23. So again, ang first term dito, i-divide by the first term ng divisor. So negative 5x divided by x, that is, yes, correct mga boss, that is negative 5. Negative 5 times x, that is negative 5x. Negative 5 times positive 5, that is negative 25. 5. Okay? Okay, again, you're going to subtract. So, subtract, you're going to change the sign, okay, of your minuend, of your subtrahend. So, magiging positive ito. Magiging positive ito. Then, you proceed to addition. Okay, negative 5x plus 5x, that is now 0. Negative 23 plus 25, that is 2. Positive 2. Okay, so wala na po tayong ma-bring down. Ito na po yung tinatawag nating remainder. So, what is the answer when you divide 2x squared plus 5x minus 23 by x plus 5? So, the answer mga boss is, this is equal to, so first the quotient, so kanina q of x, quotient, that is 2x minus 5. Okay, minus 5. Plus, okay, remainder natin is 2. Divided by, the divisor is x plus 5. So, eto na po mga boss, yung quotient ng 2x squared plus 5x minus 23 divided by x plus 5. Okay, next example tayo mga boss. We have 10x squared plus 2x raised to 4 plus 8 plus 7x cubed divided by 2x squared plus x minus 1. So, eto po yung ating dividend at saka eto yung ating divisor. Okay? So, isusulat muna natin yung ating dividend. So, i-check muna natin mga boss. The first thing you're going to do, always remember this mga boss, when you divide polynomial by a polynomial using the long division, you have to arrange first the dividend and the divisor into a standard form. So, dapat yung exponent ng inyong variable is naka-descending order. So, in your dividend, so eto, di ba? So, ano yung pinakamataas na exponent ng inyong variable? So, tama mga boss, that is 4. So, eto yung term dapat na nasa unahan or the leading term. Ito po dapat yung magiging leading term ng inyong dividend. So, isusulat natin mga boss is dapat mauuna siya. Okay? 2x raised to 4. So, next followed by, dapat yung exponent ng variable is 3. So, eto. So, plus 7x cubed. Okay? Kuha nyo mga boss. Dapat naka-descending order po yung exponent ng ating variable. So, after x cubed, followed by x squared. So, this is plus 10x squared. Okay? Next, we have 4, 3, 2, 1. So, wala tayong 1. Wala tayong x. So, pag may missing term po tayo mga boss, that is, we are going to insert 0 as the coefficient of that certain variable. Okay? So, since wala tayo ditong x, so, yung missing term mga boss, lagyan lang natin plus, then the coefficient of that is 0, then copy yung x na variable. Okay? So, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is now 1. Plus, so the last term should be the constant. Kasi yung constant mga boss, yung exponent ng kanyang variable is 0. So, tingnan natin kung naka-descending order na yung exponent na ating mga variables. So, you have 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So, naka-descending order na mga boss. Okay, next, how about our divisor? So, naka-descending order na. So, you have 2, 1, 0. So, copy lang natin ito. Okay, plus x minus 1. Okay. So, yung gagawin natin mga boss, i-divide lang natin yung first term ng dividend by the first term of the divisor. So, we have 2x raised to 4 divided by 2x squared. So, that is 2 divided by 2 is 1. X raised to 4 divided by x squared, that is x squared. Okay? Then, we multiply this to our divisor. 2x squared times x squared, that is 2x raised to 4. X squared times x, that is positive x cubed. X squared times negative 1, that is negative x squared. Okay? So, i-minus natin ito, mga boss. Okay? You subtract. Then, so when you subtract, nag-change po yung sign ng terms ng ating subtrahend. So, from positive, this will become negative. This will become negative. This will become positive. Then, you proceed to addition. Okay? That's the rule, mga boss, when you subtract. Okay? So, positive 10x squared plus 10x squared. This is now positive 11. Dito muna tayo, mga boss. 2x squared minus 2x squared, that is 0. 7x cubed minus x cubed, this is 6x cubed. 10x squared plus x squared, this is equal to 11x squared. Okay? Next, we're going to bring down the next term. Yung next term lang mga boss, huwag nyong ubusin. Okay? Plus, bring down 0x. Okay? So, what we're going to do next, we are going to divide the first term of this by the first term of our divisor. So, 6x cubed divided by 2x squared is we have plus 3x. Okay? 6 divided by 2 is 3. X cubed divided by x squared is x. So, 3x. So, again, we multiply this 3x to the divisor. 3x times 2x squared, that is 6x cubed. 3x times x, that is positive 3x squared. 3x times negative 1, that is negative 3x. Okay? Then, again, we are going to subtract. So, when you subtract, the terms of your subtrahend are nag-change ang kanilang mga signs. So, from positive, this is now negative. This is negative. This is positive. And you have to proceed to addition. So, 0x plus 3, dito muna tayo, sorry. So, 6x cubed minus 6x cubed, this is 0. 11x squared minus 3x squared, that is 8x squared. Okay? 0x plus 3x, this is plus 3x. Okay? Then, bring down natin yung last na term ng ating dividend. This is plus 8. So, again, divide natin yung first term nito by the first term of our divisor. So, 8x squared divided by 2x squared, that is plus 4. Okay? 4 times 2x squared, that is 8x squared. 4 times x, that is 4x. 4 times negative 1, that is negative 4. Again, we subtract this. Okay? So, mag-change again yung sign ng ating subtrahend. This is negative, negative, positive. Okay? And you proceed to addition. So, 8x squared plus negative 8x squared, this is now 0. 3x plus negative 4x, this is negative x. Okay? 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So, plus 12. So, wala na po tayong ma-bring down. Ito na po yung ating remainder. So, magsa-stop lang tayo mga boss if wala na po tayong ma-bring down sa ating dividend. So, the answer should be equal to x squared plus 3x plus 4 plus the remainder, which is negative x plus 12 divided by the divisor is 2x squared plus x minus 1. Okay? So, therefore, mga boss, when you divide this by this polynomial, the answer is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 4 plus negative x plus 12 over 2x squared plus x minus 1. So, I hope may natutunan kayo mga boss sa ating video ngayon. Please continue to support our channel. Subscribe if hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe. Hit the notification bell para mas updated kayo sa ating mga bagong videos. Thank you, and God bless.